Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about two wonderful, easy, simple homemade mouthwash that you can try here at home to help in really making sanitizing, of course, and removing bacteria and helping to maintain the general oral health. Now, first of all, the homemade mouthwash is simple and easy. The first one, you would need a large pinch of sea salt or Himalayan salt, and then you would also need a large pinch of bicarb soda. So you could start with a 1/4 teaspoon of either sea salt or Himalayan salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb soda. You add that to a cup of warm water and then you rinse your mouth and discard it. That way the solution is really important for helping to counteract acids in your mouth and also rinsing away infectious things that might cause problems with gum issues, problems with teeth pain as well. Another great recipe for a homemade mouthwash that is amazing is also very simple, but in this recipe we're going to use the power of essential oils as well, combine it through to help in maintaining your general oral health. So for this recipe you would need 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. You could easily find witch hazel at the health food stores, for example. It's also sold in the large online markets such as Amazon, eBay and iHerb. So 1 tablespoon of witch hazel, add in 1 tablespoon of food grade vegetable glycerin. You could also find that at the pharmacy or then again in Amazon. And then you add 250 milliliters of warm water, and along with that you're gonna focus on peppermint essential oil, and you're gonna go ahead and add 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. You mix through and then you put it on your mouth. You swish the mouthwash in your mouth very well. You spit it out and you make sure you do not swallow. The glycerin really helps to hydrate the mucous membranes in your mouth. Of course, if you're suffering from dry mouth problems, this mouthwash is really important for you. And the peppermint oil, of course, really helps to disinfect. It really helps to maintain the general overall health and gives you that lovely nice aroma that's left even after you discard the mouthwash. So 2 recipes that we've focused on: natural homemade mouthwash using bicarb soda and salt, another recipe using vegetable glycerin, witch hazel and peppermint essential oil for it. So if you found this video helpful, please comment in the description, in the comment section, what kind of videos you're interested in. I'd love to know what kind of videos that I would need to do in this channel to help in developing your awareness and your understanding of using natural holistic remedies for your general well-being. So then again, if this content has been helpful, subscribe, like, share. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye.